In this episode, we will learn how to say "get out of here" in Chinese, which is 滚蛋. How to keep it in your mind easily? Here's my solution for you. Imagine that you caught your boyfriend cheated on you for a third time, and finally you decide to break up with him, but he still came up to you to ask for forgiveness. He said, "Can you forgive me and give me another chance? I still love you." And you said to him, "Get out of here." In Chinese, "get out of here" is 滚蛋,滚蛋. The English name at the bottom just help you to pronounce the Chinese character correctly, while the figure above it help you to memorize the pronunciation easily. From left to right, it is 滚蛋. Hope you enjoy it. Thank you.